Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about Russian maxims on humor or joke. Before I continue this presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tugu Nur Rahman. I am 7th semester of English education, and I study English education at Universitas Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. This video is for fulfilling my midterm test of pragmatics. Alright, let's talk about Russian maxims on humor. The first thing I want to talk about is understanding humor dynamics on Russian maxims. Introduction. The Russian maxims provide a framework for effective communication by outlining conversational principles. When applied to humor, these maxims explain how jokes often play with listener expectations by following or breaking these rules, creating an engaging and amusing experience. This presentation explores key maxims and their role in joke constructions. Seperti yang kita tahu, Russian maxim adalah sebuah konsep komunikasi yang efektif yang diperkenalkan oleh Paul Grice. Dalam kesempatan kali ini, kita akan mencoba untuk mengaplikasikan konsep komunikasi tersebut dalam humor. Mungkin dalam humor ini, kita akan sedikit melanggar peraturan Russian maxim. Namun, pelanggaran tersebut justru malah lucu. Karena mungkin humor tidak begitu kaku atau semacamnya. Maka dari itu, mari kita bahas dengan lebih detail dalam presentasi ini. The next slide is Russian maxims overview. Maxim of quantity in humor. This maxim advises speakers to provide the right amount of information, not too little, not too much. In humor, comedians often exaggerate or withhold details to create surprise or ambiguity, leading to comedic effect by playing on expectations about how information is needed. How much information is needed. Oke. Dalam Russian maxim, kita tahu bahwa dalam memberikan informasi itu jangan terlalu banyak atau terlalu sedikit. Namun dalam humor, terkadang komedian itu sengaja memperbanyak informasi yang berlebihan atau memberi terlalu sedikit informasi untuk membuat sebuah kejutan pada para penonton atau membuat sebuah ambiguitas untuk meningkatkan tingkat humor. Dan itu membuat para penonton sangat mungkin merasa aneh, tapi di sisi lain sangat lucu karena mereka merasa dipermainkan oleh beat-beat atau punchline yang sangat menarik. Maxim of quality and truthfulness. The maxim of quality requires statement to be true and supported by evidence. In jokes, deliberate violations such as absurd or exaggerated claims generate humor by contradicting reality, encouraging the audience to recognize the fictional or satirical nature of the story. Dalam maxim seperti yang kita tahu bahwa kita harus memberikan sebuah informasi yang berkualitas dan terpercaya. Namun dalam humor, kita tidak begitu terikat terhadap hal-hal seperti itu. Terkadang komedian memberikan informasi yang absurd, aneh, janggal, tidak masuk akal. Atau mungkin memadukan antara fiksi atau fakta dan membuat sebuah pesan satir. Mungkin karena humor itu tidak bertujuan untuk memberikan sebuah percakapan yang berkualitas, karena yang penting itu lucu. Dan justru dengan hal-hal kontradiktif dan aneh ini, itu membuat para audiens atau pendengarnya mengenal sebuah hal-hal yang fiksional atau satir dalam sebuah cerita humor yang sedang disampaikan. Maxim of relation and relevance. The maxim of relation emphasizes staying relevant to the topic of conversation. In humor, jokes often deliberately divide or present unexpected relevance to provoke surprise and laughter. The strategic shift or play on relevance engages the audience by challenging their anticipations of logical connection in dialogue. Jadi dalam maxim itu, kita harus berbicara sesuai topik yang memang kita sedang bicarakan. Namun dalam humor, terkadang kita keluar dari topik hanya agar kualitas humor tersebut jadi lebih lucu. Nah, strategi-strategi ini sangat penting dalam sebuah humor. Karena seperti yang kita tahu, tujuan kita itu bukan soal kualitas percakapan. Yang penting itu lucu dan semacamnya. The next slide is application of maxims to jokes. Maxim violation for comic effect. Violating Russian maxim is a common technique in humor. Comedians break expectation by exaggerating, contradicting facts, or providing irrelevant information. This violation creates incongruity, and highlight absurdity, which are essential ingredients for many types of jokes and comedic storytelling. Jadi, dalam humor sudah pasti terjadi banyak pelanggaran maxim. Seperti yang kita bahas tadi, bahwa itu adalah hal yang sangat wajar karena tujuannya untuk melucu. Implicature and humor interpretation. Implicature refers to implied meaning beyond literal statements. In jokes, comedians rely heavily on implicature to generate layered humor, where audience infer the unstated or hidden message. Understanding these implications is key to fully appreciating wit and cleverness in humor. Jadi, para komedian itu harus cerdas dalam menyampaikan interpretasi humornya. Agar apa? Selain mereka dapat lucunya, audiens juga harus dapat makna dari humor tersebut. Examples of jokes used in maxims. Classic jokes often hinge on maxims. For example, a punchline may violate the maxim of quantity by providing too little information, or the maxim of quality by presenting an obviously false statement. This technique enhances surprise and engagement, illustrating how maxims contribute to the structure of humor. Contoh-contoh penggunaan jokes dalam maxim. Seperti yang kita tahu, humor itu sangat kontradiktif dengan peraturan maxim, karena dalam humor atau semacamnya kita akan melanggar peraturan maxim seperti kuantitas. Contohnya, dalam humor kita akan memberikan begitu sedikit informasi atau mungkin bahkan berlebihan dalam memberi informasi. Jumlah yang berlebihan maksud saya. Dalam maxim kualitas kita akan melanggarnya lagi dalam penyampaian humor dengan memberikan sebuah pernyataan yang palsu dan semacamnya, hanya agar humor kita lucu. Dan itulah kontradiksinya. Dan itu pun bisa disebut sebagai teknik untuk mengejutkan dan membuat para audiens berpikir lebih mungkin di luar pada biasanya, dan mungkin bisa disebut kreatif. The next slide is conclusions. Russian maxim provide a valuable lens through which to analyze the conclusions. Russian maxims provide a valuable lens through which to analyze and understand humor. By following or intentionally breaking these conversational principles, jokes create surprise, incongruity, and layered meaning, making communication engaging and entertaining. This framework deepens our appreciation of the complexity behind effective humor. Jadi, justru dengan adanya humor dan tidak terlalu kaku dengan peraturan maxim, percakapan kita bisa menjadi lebih luas, lebih asik, dan menyenangkan. Karena yang penting dalam percakapan itu adalah nyambung dan orang mengerti maksud kita. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can get benefit from this presentation. Once again, thank you very much, and I do apologize if there is any mistake on this presentation, or I'm afraid that it's not really clear, but thank you once again for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For better understanding or comprehension, I would like to give some of the comedy clips or something like that. So, happy watching. Once again, happy watching.
Fish convention.
Jellyfish are awesome.
Cool, state-of-the-art jellyfish nets.
Touch,
Don't touch.
Wow, the harpoon from Jellyfish the movie.
touch.
Don't touch.
Look, Dr. Manowar, the guy who got stung by Big Lenny and lived.
And now it only hurts when you touch it.
Touch.
Do I have to follow you all day?
I could see about getting back my old job as a police sketch artist. Now, did you get a look at the man who assaulted you?
I did.
Okay, can I get a description?
Yeah, he was probably around 5'9", 5'10".
Which is it, 5'9" or 5'10"?
I'd say 5'10".
Okay, we'll go 5'9" and a half. And now, how old was he?
Late 30s, maybe 37. I don't know, anywhere between 35 and 40.
Okay, well, let's say 37. How about ethnicity?
Yeah, he was Asian American.
Asian American. We talking Korean? We talking Thai? We talking Vietnamese?
Maybe Korean. Could have been Japanese, but I think Korean.
Okay, Korean. Now, how about identifying characteristics? Any marks, piercings?
He may have had a tattoo.
He may have had a tattoo? Did have a tattoo? Which one was it?
I don't know. It all happened so fast.
You know what? It's fine. I have a preliminary sketch here. Is this the man who assaulted you?
One chocolate bar coming up. Huh? Huh? I know they're in here somewhere. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
One chocolate bar for the night.
Chocolate!
Lady.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
We need a new approach, a new tactic.
I got it. Let's get naked.
No, let's save that for when we're selling real estate. There must be something. What was the reason we bought those bags?
He said we were mediocre.
That's it. He made us feel special.
Yeah.
That's it, Patrick. We've got to stretch the truth.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you, I'd like to buy all your chocolate.